Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the layering combo to create this elegant black dress in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the dressing room and then I'm going to go to the petal update, and from this petal update, I'm going to put on this top and then we're going to color it all black. And then I'm going to put on this flower top as well, and then I'm going to make it black like this, and I'm going to I'm going to make it black for the lash leaves, and then I'm going to go to the Valentine's update, and then we're going to put on this dress, and then again we're going to make it all black. And then I'm going to go to the world culture update and put on this skirt. Wait, let me scroll it down. Okay, you can put on this skirt and then you're going to make it black. And then the last one, go to this menu and I'm going to put on this gloves from the Style Showdown reward. Okay, and this is for the final result. That's so simple, and you don't need a lot of items to create this elegant black dress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.